Dental software reports. A dental software report is a customary report that a dental office or clinic can generate using dental practice management software or PMS to help with their financial and operational management. There are top 7 factors that considering by a dentist to choose dental software for a dental clinic. Number 1, feature of software for dental clinic. The dentist should consider the features that are most important for their practice, such as appointment scheduling, patient records management, billing and insurance management, dental charting, imaging and radiology, treatment planning and case presentation, inventory and management, reporting and analytics, and security and privacy. Number 2, user interface. The dental clinic software should have an intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate with clear instructions and well-designed screens. Number 3, integration. The software for dental clinics should be able to integrate with other software and systems that the practice is using, such as accounting software, patient communication software, and electronic health record systems. Number 4, training and support. The dental clinic software should come with comprehensive training materials and support services to ensure that the practice can use the software effectively. Number 5, cost. The cost of the software and any associated fees should be considered, including upfront costs, ongoing maintenance fees, Number 6, reputation. The dentist should research the reputation of the software vendor, including reviews from dental practices around the world. Number 7, backup recovery. The software should have a reliable data backup and recovery system in place to ensure that patient data is protected in case of a system failure or disaster. Patient's record management dental software is used by the dentist to organize the records of the patient in their practice. The computer is used for collecting and managing, saving and retrieving medical information for the patients, and for creating reports for the patients.